Hi guys, Harvey from All Parts. Well, in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, the rain just changed to snow. It's about 40-mile-an-hour winds. It is unbelievable. I mean, it's going sideways here. Hope you can see it. I mean, at one time, it was just completely sideways. I really hope you can see it. And just really incredible. Temperature had to drop 4 degrees in at least last hour. I don't know, it's about 11:30 in the morning, right after Christmas. Look at that windshield of the truck. I mean, that's in the last half an hour. So, the roads are not bad. Roads are pretty clean. So, they're not starting to stick yet, but the grass is starting to stick. So, anyway, I figured I'll show you that. My truck is starting to get ice on it. So, it has really dropped. So, really amazing. Snow's starting to get on the roofs. So, I'm going to go in and get warm. But, really a second snowstorm. I'll let you know, keep you informed how much snow we get. We're not forecast to get much snow. But look way over there. Just the way it's coming down. You can hear the gusts of wind just howling. So, anyway, look away, that snow is coming down. Alright guys. Alright guys, take care.